Okay guys, welcome back. So I'm going to tell you the Lough Erne Gosling. Now, from where this wee anorak today, because I can't get no heat into me, rather than the blue t-shirt in the background, so hopefully the camera can pick this up. Now the hook and the vise is a Kamasan B175 in size 10. The thread I'm going to use is the uni thread, you don't want black. Now typically these are tied on a size anywhere between a size 8 and a size 12, but a size 10 would be the most commonly used in my opinion. I just put a bit of thread down. The tail for the fly is cock pheasant fibres. Now you can use natural. These fibres that I'm using have been dyed a golden olive. So just catch those in. Then we come in and trim away the waist. The rib is an oval gold tinsel. However, I have tied it before with a broader rib, size 14, gold, silver and gold. Mallard is good for the rib as well. So I'm just going to work my thread forward, just tying everything in nice and tight at this stage, and then just come back and open turns because the body's going to be dubbed. Now the body is a medium. You can use a medium olive seals fur if you wish. What I'm using here is the medium olive in the traditional Irish dubbing range. So start our dubbing off. Then once you get it sort of way set onto the hook, you can tighten as you go. It's a good wee fly for the beginner to learn too. It's dead simple to tie, and also a way to start you off on tying Irish loch flies. Now the body hackle is a nice scarlet red cock hackle. This is just a cheap Indian cock cape that I'm using here for this. So we'll just catch that in, trim away the stem, and then I'm looking 2 turns at the shoulder of the fly, meaning the top of the body, and then roughly 3 to 4 turns down the body. Now, with a Gosling pattern, in my view, don't be shy with the length of the hackle and the amount of fibres that you would like to put on. Now, just catch in the tip. You can break away the tip at that point, sweep everything back that wants to go forward, and bring your oval gold tinsel up in front, and a couple of turns to catch this in. Then you can trim away the waist. Then we'll just tidy that up. Then maybe a bit of Velcro if you wish, and bring out some of the dressing into some of the dubbing out into the dressing. Now the front hackle is traditionally a grey speckled Mallard, dyed yellow. I'm going to use this. This is actually bronze Mallard that has been dyed a picric yellow. Now, see the smaller feathers? They're ideal for Gosling and mayfly patterns. And as you can see there, hopefully you can see it, the stem's thin enough at the top of these, so you can get your bronze Mallard, the smaller feathers that you might think is a wee bit less useful for your dabblers and stuff. If you dye them, they're excellent, I believe, for the likes of Gosling and mayfly patterns, and it does gives you a nice colour. You'll see it here in a second. So just catch that and fold the tip back, Then we'll come in and break away the tip. And I'm probably looking a turn and a half to 2 turns of this. It just depends on the way you want to dress it. Right, that's going to be plenty there. So just work my thread through. Spin the base round. Clip away the stem. And then all it's left to do is just to build up the head on the fly. And don't be shy with the head size of the head. Nice and tight. And then we'll come in and throw in a whip finish, just building the head up the shape that I want to see in it. And then trim away your tying thread. Now, I'm going to come and open it up for you so you can see the fibres. That makes an excellent feather for Gosling and any Irish mayfly patterns, really. Also be good for like an octopus fly, just as a wee variant. Now the first coat on the head, just a wee tiny drop of super glue, just right the whole way around. We'll let that dry, and then we'll come in with a couple of coats of varnish. Just make sure that the eye is clean. And there you go, guys. That's just a wee Lough Erne Gosling. So if you're going to come to Ireland to fish the mayfly, in particular Lough Erne in Northern Ireland, you might want to tie a few of those up. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view a video. It's greatly appreciated. And until the next time, guys, be good. And if you can't be good, be careful. And all being well, I'll catch us on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.